How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 Bluetooth not working. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on battery. If you turn on power saving mode, then turn it off. After turn off power saving mode, then go back and scroll down and click on general management. Now click on reset and scroll down, and here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.